Welcome to my channel.
But I love it.
The Buick Enclave is ultimately right here, but it's now not the slick, Columbia blue concept sedan we saw on the Detroit Auto display a few years lower back. Alternatively, it's the pinnacle trim, sub-emblem in the 2D era 7-passenger Buick Enclave crossover SUV. Consider of Narez Buick's version of GMC's Denali trim level. Modifications to Buick's largest SUV begin with seams. Designers snagged most of the cues from the Detroit idea for the new Avenir, inclusive of the Scoopy, 5-sided grille and multi-lens headlights. The Avenir SUV ditches the chrome vertical bars for a black crosshatch mesh. New fog lamps sit under with an individual line in a mud. The preceding Enclave became already a handsome device. This new the front stop maintains that handsomeness, however adds a bit area. In lower back, it's the same component, sleeker, extra modern, sharper cuts and a chrome piece strolling the width among the tremendous complicated taillights. The whole lot about this automobile seems upscale and modern day, even if there's one element I for my part can't get in the back of, the floating roof. Designers could possibly say it makes the auto look longer or lower or something, but it simply dirties up the aspect and rear three-quarter appearance. Each person is doing it now, from Aston Martin to Nissan and Chevy. Nonetheless, it just doesn't look proper to me. I can't be by myself in this. Am I? Thankfully the styling trick doesn't spoil the profile, that is a bit lower than the outgoing version. The brand new Enclave has an extended wheelbase, too, plus extra area for shipment and people's heads, specifically within the 1/3 row. Buick claims 90% of previous Enclave buyers opted for 7-passenger seating, so that's the most effective manner the new version comes. The second one row has a step-through within the middle, as well as a right seat that flips forward for higher get right of entry to, regardless of the vehicle seat established. Buick made certain we spent a little bit of time in the way back, and there's enough headroom for a helmet on a medium man. Not positive why you'd want one, but there's room. If you don't want that 1/3 row, the second row captain's chairs slide fore and aft. The most effective engine choice is a 310 horsepower, 266 pound-toast 3.6-liter V6 with GM's much maligned, by using me, 9-pace automated transmission. Buick uses an exceptional transferring application than Chevy's Traverse, and it feels a great deal better, but we'll get returned to that. Towing is as much as 5,000 kilos, from 4,500.